don't really know where you're going. This turn-off is not terribly obvious, is it?
No. Well, they've got a new sign there, Stanage Bay Road. That's new.
Yeah. I remember the first few times we came here, we drove straight past this more than once.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, there it is.
More than once.
Yeah.
I think that was sort of a repeat thing and a giggle each time.
until you get your landmarks sorted out, you know exactly where you're going.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's rain out there. Rain out that way.
And in the middle through here.
Yeah.
Oh well.
That's interesting. That wasn't forecast. The forecast was for wind, but not for rain. I actually don't mind going through a little bit of rain because it might rinse the solar panels off a little bit. Give everything a bit of a wash.
It's so dull. Last time we came through here, it was nice and green.
Yeah, it's been a bit dry, hasn't it? It's not overly.
Well, bring that rain on.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
I think the place needs it. Well, I'll bring it on. It's there. It just depends on whether
Yeah, no, it needs to come this way.
whether we drive through it or not, or which direction it's going. There's probably taken. And have a look.
Stick my nose around.
Did this spot just get vacated?
Yep, sure did.
All right. Okay, where would you like me? Kind of reversing in that way, I suppose? Yep. So we're on a bit of a quest here. I've gone and lost my Teardrop stubby cooler. And when you say you've lost something, Yolinda won't rest until she finds it. Will you?
Yeah, except for the fact that you've lost your mind.
I don't know what I've done with it. You can't help me find that.
No.
It's my special teardrop.
How the hell do you lose a stubby cooler? You're supposed to keep it in your hand and use it.
Well, I definitely used it yesterday, but I just haven't seen it today, so I don't know what I did with it last night.
Definitely not in the kitchen.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's not.
I think I've looked in that box twice already.
Yeah, I've looked everywhere twice too. I don't know what I've done with it. I think it might be one of those things where the more you look, the less you find it. The more you look, the less success you have finding it. And I think I'm just going to stop looking for it. And, you know, hopefully it'll turn up somewhere.
You didn't wash it.
No, I didn't wash it. All right, got to get my breath back. Just been for a walk down on the beach. Yolinda and Grumpy down there at the moment. But it is, it is 3:45 and we're having a porky pot tonight. So it's about time to get that fire started. Excuse some leftover bread in there. Fell on the sand at lunchtime and you can't really rinse that off and use it again. So that's right, it'll get toasted in there tonight. All right, time to get to it. So I picked these guys up at Bunnings. Firewall or Woolwood, as a lot of times they're called online. It's the first time I've used them, but they're pretty, just one. Just need to put one on there and away she goes. Easy peasy. So as I mentioned earlier, porky pot tonight. So the fire's kind of on the way there, trying to generate some coals. Got some
potato and carrots.
Yep. Zucchini, tomato.
I've got a purple carrot.
A purple carrot.
Because purple. Garlic, some tomatoes.
Yep. Onion.
I've got the meat that I've got to chop up.
The meat's in the fridge. Yep.
Just some steak. Hey, did you leave it in the fridge?
Ooh. I don't think so. If I did, it'd be in that side because that's where the drinks are.
It'd be funny if it was in here.
It couldn't be, surely. I don't think it is. No.
Okay, I'm willing to try anything right now.
Not in that fridge, but I might go and have a look in this other one. Let's see if it's in there. Whoops. Turn that down. I think everything in that one is accounted for too.
Nope.
Nope.
Nope, you've done an absolute number.
Okay, we just need to stop looking for it, I think. We're just got to stop looking for it.
That's not going to happen. That just does not compute in my brain.
Ah, well. talking to myself.